Before you order custom cabinets for your kitchen, there's something every homeowner needs to understand. The cabinet price is not always the final project cost. Delivery, installation, design changes, permits, labor, and even removing the old cabinets can all affect your budget. The good news is, if you know what to ask up front, you can avoid a lot of expensive surprises. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is comparing cabinet quotes without understanding what each quote actually includes. Custom cabinetry involves far more than the boxes themselves, including design work, measurements, fabrication, and delivery. You may also need demolition, removal of old cabinets, trim work, countertop coordination, plumbing, and electrical work. Hidden costs are not always dishonest. They often happen because quotes are compared by price only, not scope. Ask what is included and what is excluded before choosing a cabinet quote. Hidden cost number 1 is removal and disposal of the old cabinets. Demolition and haul away aren't always included and can add several $100s depending on kitchen size. Ask whether demolition, haul away, and cleanup are included or billed as separate line items. Hidden cost number 2 is delivery and handling charges for large, heavy cabinetry. Delivery costs vary with distance, tight access, stairs, and special handling needs. Ask, is delivery included, and are there extra charges for difficult access or special handling? Hidden cost number 3 is installation labor, which can be one of the biggest parts of your total cost. Some quotes include installation, while others cover materials only, so understand what you're being quoted for. More custom layouts, uneven walls, older homes, and specialty trim can all increase installation time and cost. Hidden cost number 4 is design changes and upgrades like soft close hardware, pull-outs, or decorative trim. Upgrades can be worth it, but unplanned upgrades are what create budget stress. Hidden cost number 5 covers permits, inspections, plumbing, and electrical work that may be needed. If cabinets are part of a larger remodel, ask early whether plumbing, electrical, permits, or inspections will be required. Hidden cost number 6 is measurement mistakes and rework when cabinets don't fit or doors can't open properly. Older Massachusetts homes often have walls, floors, and ceilings that aren't perfectly level or square, so professional measurements matter. To protect your budget, ask for an itemized estimate that clearly lists what is included and what is not. Confirm allowances for countertops, appliances, and finishes, and include a written change order process for any adjustments. Set a contingency of 10 to 20% for unexpected items, especially in older homes. Ask about timeline expectations and how the contractor communicates delays or additional costs. Request references and local examples of completed projects so you can see real outcomes and costs in central Massachusetts. Work with a transparent cabinet and remodeling professional who explains the full scope before you order. If you want help budgeting for custom cabinets in the central Mass area, a thorough written estimate is the best first step. Ask the right questions, plan for the unexpected, and you'll avoid the most common budget surprises. If you'd like a transparent conversation about what to expect for your kitchen in Leominster or nearby towns, we're here to help. Plan carefully, ask for details up front, and your custom cabinets will be an investment you enjoy without surprises.